Hello, viewers, and you're welcome to hymns recording of the Iwe Oremimo IOM. My name is Tobi Balogun. I am your organist for today. With me is Penny, who is a very, very good soprano singer. She will be singing the hymns. Our next hymn for today is IOM 6. The name of this tune is Madrid, not Hala Madrid like some of these guys. The meter of this tune is 77777. That's 6 sevens, and will be sung to the hymn Christ Ologo Olola, which is IOM number 6. Pray as you listen, may you be richly blessed in Jesus' name.